In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious chicken sandwich at home using my air fryer. To make this sandwich, I'm using this brand of chicken patties. I've been getting these at Lidl. They are so good. And so I'm using this chicken, and then I'm using this bread that I also get at Lidl. This is truly lunch from Lidl. And this combination of this Italian bread that I'm going to toast with these chicken patties that I'm going to put into the air fryer is amazing and delicious. So I'm going to get it started and show you how I put it together. I put the chicken patty into the fry basket, and then I'm going to just spritz just a little bit of its peanut oil, and we're going to. And this is the Cook's Essentials air fryer. I go up to 400, and then I'm going to set my time for 10 minutes. It takes a little longer than you think to cook these. And there it goes. And I'm going to toast my bread over here in the toaster oven. And what I like about this little quick lunch is that while the bread toasts, the chicken cooks, and all I have to do is assemble the sandwich. So while the bread is toasting and the chicken is cooking, I'm going to prep my veggies. And for the sandwich, I'm going to have lettuce on the sandwich itself and a side of sliced red peppers. So while I wouldn't say this is a healthy lunch, I would say that it is a healthier alternative. I did some quick math, and the bread is 80 calories a slice, so that's 160 calories. The chicken patty is 150, so that brings us up to 310. And if you limit to about a half a serving of mayo, that's another 50 calories. So for 360 calories, you can have what feels like this really indulgent fast food type lunch, and you know, we all need that sometimes, but at least you can have it this way without completely wrecking your system or your day. And here's our beautiful air fried chicken patty. I'm going to just make my sandwich now. I'm adding chopped romaine lettuce. I like a little mayo with my chicken sandwich, but you could do mustard as well. I added sliced red peppers with a little bit of extra lettuce as my side, and I can hardly wait to have this. Just want you to see, I hope you can hear how crispy this is. And this is how it looks. It's got some extra lettuce. So this is how it looks, and I think it looks amazing, and I hope you enjoy your bite. I'm going to try a bite now. That was very good. So that is lunch from Lidl. And if you don't have Lidl where you are yet, I'm so sorry. I think they're amazing. I know they are rolling out all over the United States, so I hope that you will have them soon where you are, because they are very good and they are priced very, very well. Okay, that's the video recipe for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And be sure that you like the video and tell me what is your favorite chicken sandwich to make at home. Okay, thanks, and I'll see you next time.